ಎಂತ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಅದೇ
ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ವರ
exact one, and it's boiling hot. Any of you all know a place that you get this drink in Bangalore? Do let me know. I would love to go there and check it out. The kids are saying bye. We just take a picture to post on Insta and we'll leave. The sun is just literally golden color. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Anirudh and hope all of you all are doing great. So today I'm in my hometown, Srirangam. It's pretty famous for its temple. I'm here with my cousins and they brought me here to a restaurant. Yenda hotel raade?
Venkatesh Bhavan.
So it's called Venkatesh Bhavan, and they've been eating food here
From our childhood.
Apparently the hotel's there from my cousin's childhood. He's 33 years old now.
Hey, are your grandfather time later?
Oh, he's telling me it's there from the time of his grandfather as well. I'll show you the shop around now. It's inside the street. This leads to the temple. Straight inside you can see the temple's entrance there. And this is Venkatesha Bhavan. I'll also add the location in Google Maps so that you can come here and try. So this is Kesari, the sweet which you get here.
Doctor, test pandra.
Chapra. That's Shravan, my cousin, and this is Pappu.
இல்லைங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள நீ போட்டு சாப்பிட்டு முடிச்சிட்டேன்.
I couldn't continue vlogging due to a few technical difficulties and that I had to rush back home because it was my cousin's marriage. This is on the 13th of July and you'll be seeing the video from the 16th of July. Hi guys, I don't know if you're seeing the video from the start or I'm just going to add it in between another video. So it's 1 or 1:30 now. It's 1 o'clock right now, exact 1, and it's boiling hot and I'm heading out to the town area from Srirangam. The area is called Teppakolam and it's about 6 kilometers from my place, I think. So you get this drink there which is called Jigardanda. It's from Madurai, not from this place, but you don't get this in Bangalore. Or if any of you all know a place that you get this drink in Bangalore, do let me know. I would love to go there and check it out. This is one of my favorite drinks. I really like the drink and its flavor. It's nothing that exotic, nothing that great. I came here a week back, but I'm still very unsure of the route. I don't know if I'm headed the right way. I've headed the right way. So right after this flyover, I have to take a U-turn and go through a small market area. So I'll cut through the chase, and when I'm in the road where that restaurant, it's not a restaurant, it's a very small place, so when I'm there I'll continue vlogging. This is the road where that shop is, and which has quite a few shopping complexes. It's pretty famous for I think Saradas, and there's another store called Ratna something, not sure. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಮ್. The kids are saying bye. So we're just heading back home now. 4 hours later. 4:50 right now. My cousins and my relatives are there in the car in front. Try making them wave at you. So my cousin just got married a few months back, not 3 months back, and he visited our hometown for the first time. So we planned of traveling somewhere nearby, and I wanted to ride and make a vlog, so I thought why not I'll just come in the bike and let them all go in the car. So I'm having my own fun time here. They're all in the car. I don't know, we're headed to this dam, I don't know the name. I don't want to give you the wrong pronunciations and the wrong stuff right now. Probably once I go there, I'll ask my cousin what it is and give you the right thing. But as of now, I don't know what exactly it is. It's a dam and there's a small temple out there, but I'm not sure of what dam or what temple it is. So there's one crazy railway crossing here. I'll just click a picture to post on Insta and we'll leave. So I had to fuel up in between, so my cousins went in front of me. So that is a highway al melide, and about like 10 meters from the highway the place is crazy. There's a small stream of water flowing, pretty fancy I would say. Nothing fancy to the guys who have a village and go to the village, but I don't have a village kind of house as such. What is that? The house once in my uncle's place. But this place is pretty fancy, pretty nice. I like it. I'm a good thing. Should I cross the river? Just try and jump as much as I can. I almost got through. A little bit of my feet got here. I'm just heading in. Okay, I don't think it's a place that I should go alone. I'm pretty scared. So I'll cut through the chase and I'll see you all on the bike. In 3, 2, 1. So I didn't know on the way to the dam, they'll be taking us to a lot of temples. We visited about 4 temples on the way to the dam. If we went directly to the dam, it's only about 20 or 22 kilometers, but this route visiting all the temple comes up to 50 kilometers. So my uncle and my cousin are here to collect the came here to collect the prasadam of the temple. It's a whooping 6:25 now. It's going to get dark in a bit. The sunset was nice. We're heading to the dam now. Finally, let's just hope, fingers crossed, that we reach there before the sun sets. I'm not sure what justice the camera is doing for the sunset. The sun is just literally golden color, like literally golden color. I can't see an orange or a reddish tan to the sun today. Oh, I love sunsets and sunrises. I preferably go to the beach and sit down if I go to a coastal place during sunrise or sunset, get a few bursts or get a few time lapses of that. I really enjoy watching the sunset and rise. So there'll be a lot of wind noise because I have a tinted visor. I forgot to get my clear visor and it's pretty much dark for the tinted visor, and if I use it I can't see the road, so I'm riding with the visor open, and you might hear a lot of wind noise because of that. I'll cut it for now and I'll show you around when we go to the dam. but it wouldn't be much. I think maybe a minute or two out there, and I'll spend about half an hour with my family and we'll be leaving. The dam pretty much starts all the way there, and there's a stretch here and there's a stretch there too. So mostly the water comes in from this side, and you can see the water leveler here. Right now it's in the minimal levels, and I'll show you all the other end, that is this side of the dam. I didn't know that you can come here and chill. There are a lot of people taking bath and chilling in this place. If I can, probably in this week before I come back to Bangalore, I would definitely try and get some clothes and come here and take a bath or something. It seems and looks like pretty much fun. So that's it with this place. Probably my cousins and my relatives will take a few pictures here, and after clicking a few pictures we're done and we'll leave. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, do hit the like button, like, share. Beep potrno. So if you learned something in this video, do like, share and subscribe, and also comment down below if this video got very boring. I'll try to change it a little bit in the next one. Peace out.